Another day, another bathroom remodel video on this episode of CityBilly Adventures. Stay tuned. My wife and I grew up in the suburbs of Northeast Ohio, and we started our family there too. Then a few years ago, we stumbled into this dilapidated estate property that just had way too much potential to pass up. Follow along as we DIY our way through creating our dream estate, one project at a time. A wise man once said, "You're from the city, but you like hillbilly things." You're a CityBilly. So I don't know what your wife likes to do in her free time, but in the tiny amount of free time that Mrs. CityBilly has, she remodels bathrooms. Between our first house and now the CityBilly Ranch, this is bathroom remodel number 7. Just like all the other rooms in this house, it was very dated. The bathroom originally had carpet, which we took out almost immediately after moving in because, well, that's just gross. Mrs. CityBilly also removed the trim and the textured wallpaper. She had to use a steamer to get all the residual glue off the walls. Another common theme in this house is the super heavy stucco. Fortunately, it was only on the ceiling in this bathroom, and not on the walls too, but it still had to go. It didn't go without a fight though.
You want me to break something else?
No.
Once the old ceiling was all gone, we replaced it with new drywall, and that came with its own set of obstacles. We eventually prevailed, and Mrs. CityBilly got to work mudding and painting the new ceiling. Then she painted the walls. We were trying to keep the costs low for this remodel, and the Vanity was in good shape, so we decided to give it a facelift instead of replacing it. Mrs. CityBilly painted the cabinets and swapped out the hardware. She replaced the faucet and added drawer liners. Then it was my turn to add a Shiplap accent wall. Shiplap is fairly self-explanatory, but I explain it step by step in another video. If my kids can do it, so can you. When the shiplap was done, Mrs. CityBilly covered up any imperfections with a fresh coat of white paint. She installed new wall sconces to match the new gold hardware. Then we installed a floating luxury vinyl tile floor. This is the same tile we used in the rest of the house. I trimmed out the door and installed baseboards and shoe molding.
Mrs. CityBilly installed a new toilet, and this project was done.
So that's it. A mostly no demo Reno. If you'd like to see more of Mrs. CityBilly in the bathroom, check out this video.